Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens app how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your Walgreens app account, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Walgreens application, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, scroll down until you find the option that says help or contact us. Then once you're inside there, select customer service and inside choose a chat or call. Then once the agent is available, request account deletion, also called close Walgreens.com account. You can also have online request, meaning you can close your account from your browser by simply opening it up, and on the search bar type in Walgreens.com, and then once there, log into your account and select contact us option. Then start a live chat or send a message requesting account deletion, and they may verify your identity before processing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.